What's up, bitches? Young James coming at you from Tokyo City. I know a lot of you guys were asking how I cook my chicken. Not only did I make a video talking about how to save money, how to cook, why you need to be cooking as many meals as you possibly can because you are broke and you need to save all of your money to achieve something bigger. Not just to be going out, eating out all the time and spending it on girls when you don't even have your life sorted out. Not only are we going to be saving money, but we are going to be making some delicious, scrumptious chicken that is very healthy. Anyone believes this dumb bullshit? Eating healthy costs so much money. Eating healthy is more expensive than eating processed foods. You know, I'm fat because I don't have any money. Yeah, if you're eating out, okay, like if you want to eat out at a place that is all, you know, no preservatives, all organic compared to McDonald's, okay, yeah, sure, that's going to be a little bit more expensive. But dude, learn to cook. You can buy all of this. I know I'm in Japan. I got my groceries from Hanamasa. I always get my groceries from Niku no Hanamasa, which is a very cheap grocery store. However, if you are in America, I guarantee you have an Aldi or a Walmart or something similar in your vicinity, and you can buy all of this shit. Rice, broccoli, chicken, all of that for like 10 bucks and eat for the week. So quit your complaining, learn how to cook. It's so easy. I suck at cooking. I'm not Gordon Ramsay, but I can at least cook in like an okay chicken. So it's super simple. I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and let's go. Welcome to my humble abode, by the way. Welcome to my humble abode, my apartment. I have a full video on my apartment up here on my YouTube also. So if you guys want to check that video out, it should be somewhere on my channel. So let's get into this cooking. First thing you need to do is you need to set your chicken out for a second. You can't just be bringing your chicken out straight out of the fridge, straight out of the freezer, and then throwing it on the grill, on the frying pan, because it's not going to cook evenly. So you need to let it sit out for a second until it's about room temperature or so. Got this chicken from Niku no Hanamasa, 20% off, 20% off. This is 631 yen plus 20% off. What is that, like 500 yen? 500 yen in dollars is like $3.50 or something, and this is 3 large chicken breasts with the skin on. If you buy them with the skin on, it takes a little bit more work to cut the skin off, but it's cheaper. Buy the ones with the skin on and just do it. I'll show you how to do it right now. Let me pop a grape. So, you're gonna pull your knife out. Here we go. I'm getting down on my knees for y'all. Breast number 1. Get your fingers in there. You can't be afraid to get your hands dirty, man. Can't be afraid to get a little grime on you. You're gonna take this skin, and the thing about this is it's really good for protein. It's like a really clean source of protein, not much fat in here. So you're gonna toss the skin out. Slice each of these breasts in half so they cook through quicker, and we don't get any pink in the middle. This thing's pretty dull, but make it work. 1 half, 2 halves. Boom. Check it out. When you live in Tokyo and you're a student and you have no money and you live in a cardboard box and you live in a 12 square meter apartment, you don't have room for trash cans, so you literally just put your trash bags and your plastic bags, because you separate everything in Tokyo, you separate all the trash, so you have like 5 different trash cans. You just leave your bags up like this. It's dope, right? The ladies love it when they come over to my place. 6 half breasts, because 3 times 2 equals what, fellas? Help me out. 6. And you're gonna pop another one of these bad boys for moral support. Now, what we're gonna do next is quite interesting. So when you get these breasts all cut up, you're just gonna take a fork or 2. We're just gonna go ham, man. We're just gonna get real deep in them guts. We're just gonna tenderize these babies up. Get a little better mouthfeel. And additionally, you're gonna get some different taste notes if you do this. No, I'm just kidding. I think it just makes it a little easier to eat, a little more tender, and kind of makes the seasonings or the marinade, if that's what you're into, the marinade soak deeper into the tissue on the chicken. I don't know what I'm talking about. I just saw somebody do it on TikTok, and they're like, dude, if you're not doing this before you cook your chicken, like, you're literally a fucking nerd. And so that's what I do, man. And I'm just gonna tell you guys and act like it's my thing that I came up with. Should be about good. Now we're going to season these puppies up. So, did you guys watch UFC 298? It's a crazy card. What kind of seasonings we got up here inside Uncle Jimmy's cabinet. Well, we got the staples. We got the staples. We got our Himalayan pink salt. Can never go wrong. We got our black pepper. Black pepper goes on anything and everything. We got our garlic salt. Whenever you're cooking chicken, you have to do hefty garlic salt. A classic. Then we got our chili powder. You already know chili powder is like, I don't know, paprika, cayenne pepper, some other shit. We're gonna put some oregano on there. And whatever else you got, man. Like, you guys can play around. Like, chicken is so versatile. Anything can go on chicken, right? So, like, whatever you got. You can use this, like, Japanese spice shit. This is like a spice blend. I'll put that on there sometimes. You got cracked red pepper. That also works if you're doing an Asian thing or something. You can also do a little marinade with your Tabasco. See, I got some more Japanese spices. Oh, but let me teach you a little secret of the pros, all right? Little secret of the pros, guys. If you want to make like I'm not even joking right now. If you guys want to make serious gains, and not only make serious gains, but like if you want to be built different, the definition of built different, this is what you gotta do. I'm not even bullshitting you right now. Put a little bit of this on your chicken. Some brie-tine, bro. Some brie-tine on your chicken. It makes this incredible crust, and it crisps up the outside of the chicken like just perfectly, where the outside is a little bit crunchy and the inside is still tender and juicy. And also, your gains will skyrocket. I shit you not. So, first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the brie-tine. We're just gonna do like this on each breast, okay? So then you don't actually have to mix it in with your blender bottle or anything. You just put it right on your chicken and just make sure you get one chicken breast a day and you're good to go. I'm just kidding. You guys totally thought I was gonna put cream on my chicken. Here it is. Just do a little bit, why not? But realistically, we're gonna start here with the Himalayan pink salt. Get your Bobby Flay on, your emerald on. Just go ham with it, man. Like I said, chicken, generally, you don't have to worry about over seasoning your chicken. Just go ham. It's versatile. Anything you have in your cabinet, just throw anything on, man. See what you like. I've also done marinades from time to time, so if you guys want to see like a little marinade, I'll do a little Asian one sometime. I do like a soy sauce, honey, ginger type bullshit, so that's pretty good. So we got our Himalayan pink salt, we got our black pepper, garlic powder. Garlic powder is a must all over. It's gonna get all over the table, no problem. Don't worry, I'll clean up afterward. I'll wipe up. Something spicy. I prefer this chili powder shit. If you guys got some cayenne pepper, whatever you got, throw it on, man. Just throw it on. Experiment, have fun, live a little bit, man. Live a little bit. I'll take everything so damn seriously, man. It's so literal. We're about out of oregano, daddy. It's alright, we'll survive. You're just gonna make sure it gets all in there, and you're just gonna, whoa. And then you're gonna flip them, do it all over. Now would probably be a good time to start preheating my pans and just getting them warmed up a little bit, but I have my camera on the grill, so I'm gonna wait a second. I'm gonna film the rest of this, and then I'm gonna start heating up my pan. So you're just gonna make sure you get all of the pepper that you can. Just make sure you get all of it in there. You know, don't miss any. You know, chicken has been seasoned. I'm going to warm up my pans. I'm going to make sure they are hot enough to where when I put some oil on it or some butter or whatever you use to make sure your chicken isn't sticking to the pan, that it's just barely like smoking, just a little, not smoking, but just smoldering, if you will, just slightly smoldering. And then you're gonna pop another grape for moral support. When you cook your chicken, this is easy, guys. I've done this at like 5 different places where I've lived. When you cook your chicken, it's not complicated. Put your heat exactly in the middle. Put your burner in the middle, okay? Just put it on medium, exactly in the middle. I swear to God. We're gonna run both. Put it exactly in the middle. Nowhere else. Don't fuck with it. You guys are fucking with it too much. Put it exactly in the middle. Leave it. Wait till it heats up. Feel it in Japan. Make sure you put your, what's this thing called? Make sure you put your vent on so you're not smoking up your entire apartment. Just put a little bit of fats in the pan. Therefore, the chicken doesn't burn and stick to the pan. Not too much. Not too much. Don't go crazy. You know how many calories are in olive oil, canola oil, butter, and such. So we're just gonna do a little bit, all right? Just enough to where it's a little bit in the pan. And run it around a little bit, like so. And by the way, I garbage picked both of these pans. Like, people, I swear to God, people in Japan just throw out anything. This pan was literally brand new when I got it, but it had this dent on the side. And someone threw it out, it was on the side, and they like, someone like put it out on the street and put a little sign next to it that said, Goji ni dozo, which means like, just take freely. And so I was like, hell yeah, I'll take it. And then I got this one too. And I don't even, like, nothing's wrong with this one either. And nothing sticks to it, like it's a fire ass pan, dude. Just got these for free, y'all. So, keep your eyes out if you're in Japan. Always be looking for garbage picking. I swear people throw anything out here. These have been warming up for about a minute or two. I can hear them sizzling just a little bit. Now would be a good time to throw your breasts on. Perfect. That sizzle is just what you want to hear. Trace. Now listen very carefully. I just put my breasts on. You are going to set your phone for 7 minutes. Don't flip until it's been 7 minutes. After 7, we're gonna flip. We're gonna do 5 more minutes. If you have tops, I don't have lids for my pans, but if you have lids, put the lids on. They'll keep the moisture on. They'll cook the breasts a little bit more evenly, and they'll prevent huge big mess from the squirting chicken here. So 7 minutes. Don't fuck with it. Stop fucking with the chicken all the time. Don't change the settings on your grill, your stove. Just leave it at right in the middle. 7 minutes, and we're just gonna go, and then we're gonna shadow box it out a little bit. In 7 minutes, I'm just gonna flip these babies. Let's see how they look. That nice golden brown. You know what? Just for a little shits and gigs. Lemon juice on here, just for a little. Why not? You know, just because why not? Have some lemon juice. These look good, don't they? They're quite nice. Yo, don't judge me that I got this burn on my wall. I swear to God that was here before I moved in. Thing is right next to the wall, so there's just this like, it's this brown spot on the wall. It looks like someone wiped their ass on my wall. Gonna run 5 more minutes, and then they'll be done. It's that simple, y'all. 5 minutes, gonna turn this baby off. Gonna dig into one of these babies right now. If you guys wanted to know how to make chicken breast the alpha way on a low budget, healthy meal, and also it's gonna save you a bunch of money, guys, I just told you right here, Young James, you know what it is, from Tokyo City. If you guys want to hit me up on Instagram, please hit me up, send me a message, Young James, YUNGJAMEZ. If you want to join my Discord, send me $5 on my PayPal is in the bio. Or if you guys just want to donate to me, hit up your boy, man. I'm a struggling student here, man. I'm broke, I'm about to start college. Please support me. Thank you guys so much. Who plays Tekken, by the way? Tekken. Thank you guys for watching. I love y'all. Hope you guys use my chicken method. Guys, once again, heat on medium, 7 minutes, flip, 5 minutes. That's it. It's so easy. You got some fire chicken. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Guys, take care.